The illusion of antiquity. Imagine standing amidst the crystalline remains of the petrified forest in Arizona, where a single jar of our Bravo rests upon a log turned to stone over 200 million years ago. While these majestic silvified trees serve as a testament to the late Triassic period, the biological history contained within that small jar is, in truth, far more ancient than the very ground upon which it sits. Or think about the fossilized remains of dinosaurs, imagining them as the ultimate symbols of a distant past. Yet, in the grand theater of biological time, these trees or the terrible lizards are mere newcomers, appearing a scant 230 million years ago. If we wish to encounter the true elders of our planet, we must look much deeper, precisely into the microscopic world of the Bravo products. Our exhaustive genetic characterization, utilizing the axiom microbiome array, has revealed a biodiversity that transcends modern history. The lineages we have identified within this Swiss fermented milk and colostrum product, such as the firmicutes and actinobacteria, possess evolutionary roots stretching back over 3 billion years. While the forests or the dinosaurs were still a distant biological dream, the ancestors of the Lactobacilliaceae and Bifidobacteriaceae families were already perfecting the art of survival. In our latest analysis, we documented 28 unique targets within the Bifidobacteriaceae family alone, demonstrating functional similarities between microbial and human enzymes, such as beta-galactosidase and sialidase, that are essential for the endogenous production of the immune-modulating GCMAF. Beyond the bacteria themselves, we have uncovered 48 unique plasmid targets, extra chromosomal genetic elements that serve as the software of microbial adaptation. These mobile genetic units have been facilitating horizontal gene transfer since the dawn of prokaryotic life, long before the first multicellular organisms appeared. These ancient sequences are not merely historical curiosities. They encode critical advantages for detoxification and the promotion of a healthy life expectancy. They allow the microbiome to react and adapt to an ever-changing environment, offering resistance to toxic metals in our increasingly polluted world. Perhaps most astonishing is the presence of 27 unique bacteriophages from the Siphoviridae family, the most numerous and perhaps oldest biological entities on Earth. Within these viral sequences, we find the SAC protein of the Lactococcus phage, UL36. This protein is a structural and functional homologue to the human RAD52, a cornerstone of DNA repair and genomic stability. It is a striking realization that a viral sequence, which predates the origin of eukaryotes by billions of years, serves as an ancestor to the very guardians of our human genome. In every serving of this fermented complex, we are not merely consuming probiotics, we are interacting with a living museum of evolutionary triumph. These sequences represent a biological legacy that was ancient when the first dinosaur took its first breath. By integrating this ancestral wisdom into our modern lives, we are reclaiming a form of biological harmony that has sustained life on this planet for eons. It is, quite literally, health that is older than time itself.